In this video, we will discuss about sunk key. The definition of a sunk key is it is a type of the key in which half part of the thickness of the key fits into the keyway in shaft and the remaining fits in the keyway of the hub. Whereas the saddle key, the complete thickness is fitted into the keyway of the hub. The principle involved in the sunk key is the power is transmitted due to shear resistance of the key. Okay, as half part is fitted into the shaft, some shear forces are developed which are acted on the key part. Majorly there are two types of sunk keys are there. First one is rectangular sunk key and square sunk key. Okay, now what is the difference between these? A rectangular sunk key and the square sunk key. If the width portion is greater than the height portion of the key, then it is called as a rectangular sunk key. When you look at this pictorial representation of this sunk key, rectangular sunk key, a part is inserted in the shaft and the width area is greater than the height area. Now when you look at the pictorial representation of the square sunk key, the width portion is equals to height portion and the standard dimension of this sunk key B is equals to H is equals to D by 4, which is repeatedly asked in Indian Engineering Services examination. When you take the dimension of a rectangular sunk key, which is also known as a flat key, B is equals to D by 4, where B is width of the key and D is diameter of the key and H is equals to height of the key. Okay, now some of the standard dimensions are also available for this flat key. B is equals to D by 4, H is equals to 2 by 3B, means 2 by 3 into D by 4, that is equals to D by 6. The application part is, it can be used for heavy duty applications like machine tool applications. You can see most of the sunk keys in machine tools. It is bit costlier than saddle key because two keyways are required to insert this key. Half part of the keyway is in hub and remaining half part is in shaft.